Imagine a world where the smallest act of kindness can mean the difference between life and death. In the scorching summers of Asia, where temperatures soar past 40 degrees, a tiny clay pot becomes a lifeline for birds struggling to survive. This is a story of compassion, culture, and coexistence. A story that begins with a single sip of water. The history of clay pots in the context of bird care in Asian cultures. Clay pots, also known as earthenware or terracotta vessels, have been integral to human civilizations for millennia, with their use in Asia for bird care during hot summers, reflecting a unique blend of utility, cultural values, and environmental consciousness. Below is an exploration of the history of clay pots, focusing on their origins, evolution, and specific role in providing water for birds in regions like India, Pakistan, and Southeast Asia. Let's talk about its material and craftsmanship. It's made of clay, abundant in riverine regions of Asia, was molded by hand or on simple potter's wheels, and fired at low temperatures. Gather and prepare the clay. Step 1. Wedge or knead the clay to remove air bubbles and achieve a uniform consistency. This makes the clay pliable and prevents cracking during shaping. The clay should feel smooth, like dough, and not too sticky. Step 2. Shape the pot. Hand building. Take a ball of clay and press your thumb into the center, pinching and rotating to form a hollow shape. Step 3. Wheel throwing. Center a ball of clay on a spinning potter's wheel. Wet your hands and apply gentle pressure to shape the clay into a cylinder. Then open it up by pressing down in the center and pulling the walls upward to form the desired shape. Step 4. Refine the shape. Use tools or fingers to smooth and adjust the pot's walls, rim, and base for even thickness. Step 5. Dry the pot. Allow the shaped pot to air dry until it reaches a leather-hard state. Where it's firm but still slightly damp and workable. This can take 12 to 48 hours, depending on humidity and clay type. Have you ever wondered why clay pots? The porous clay allows water to evaporate slowly, cooling the remaining water through a natural process, ideal for birds in hot climates. Clay pots are inexpensive and widely available, crafted by local potters using traditional techniques. Unlike metal or plastic, clay is biodegradable and locally sourced, aligning with eco-conscious traditions. Cultural symbolism. In South Asia, clay pots symbolize humility and connection to the earth, reflecting values of simplicity and service. Providing water in pots is seen as an act of punya, merit, in Hinduism, sadaka, charity, in Islam, and compassion in Buddhism, reinforcing the practice's spiritual significance. The act of refilling pots daily fosters community participation, strengthening social bonds and environmental awareness. Let's make the skies sing a little louder. Let's fill the world with a little more compassion, one clay pot at a time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories of compassion and coexistence, and share this video to spread the word. Together, we can make a difference.